Welcome to Life on School. As you can see, the amazing Fenwick is awakening. A mammal living in the harsh environment of northern schools. Its habitat is hilly bushes and seldom comes out for food or social activities. The Fenwick is clumsy and often tried collapsing from soft muscles while hunting for food. Among his hates and fears, the color pink in maths. The Fenwick is always vigilant and watchful of predators. He is seen here checking the stairs before him. He is disorientated by the fall and cannot perform basic tasks for some time. Like the common cow, he is not so good at going downstairs, however.